It's my privilege and pleasure to give the lecture on horrifying killer disease rabies. World Rabies Day is celebrated on September 28th to mark the death anniversary of Louis Pasteur, French chemist and microbiologist, to develop the first rabies vaccine. The theme for World Rabies Day for the year 2020 is to end rabies, to collaborate and vaccinate. In year 2015, around 17,400 people died due to rabies worldwide. In people who have been exposed to rabies, the rabies vaccine and sometimes rabies immunoglobulins are effective in preventing the disease if the person receives the treatment before the start of rabies symptom. Rabies is caused by RNA virus. Reservoir of infection is through wild animals like tiger, wolf and rabid stray dog. Infective material is saliva of the rabid animal. Incubation period is approximately 9 days to several months. Coming to clinical features, fever at onset, paresthesia at the site of bite. Prodromal stage is first 1 to 10 days. Characteristics of hydrophobia. Although the patient is thirsty, attempts at drinking provoke violent contractions of diaphragm and other inspiratory muscle. Delusion and hallucinations may develop, accompanied by splitting and mania. Death usually occurs within a week of onset of symptom. Investigation. During life, diagnosis is usually made on clinical grounds, but rapid immunofluorescent techniques can detect antigen in corneal impression, smears or skin biopsies. Coming to management, few patients with rabies have survived after receiving post-exposure prophylaxis, and some may need intensive care facility to control cardiac and respiratory failure. Otherwise, only palliative treatment is possible once symptoms arises. Diaziform 10 mg given 4 to 6 hourly, supplemented with chlorpromazine 50 to 100 mg. Nutritions can be given through intravenous and gastrotomy. Category of dog bite is classified into 3. Category 1, lick during feeding or touching the animal, lick on the intact skin. So no exposure, there is no need for giving post-exposure prophylaxis. Category 2, scratches or abrasions without bleeding. It's a minor injury. Patient need anti-rabies vaccine. Category 3 is transdermal bite, lick over broken skin. Patient need anti-rabies vaccine and immunoglobulins. Active immunization is giving cell culture vaccine. So this cell culture vaccine can be given as intramuscular and intradermal. For intramuscular, dose is 0.5 ml. It is given in the deltoid region. It is given as 0, 3, 7, 14 and 28. Intradermal vaccine is given in 2 sites. Dose is 0.1 ml. Dose is 0, 3, 7, 28. Passive immunization, human rabies immunoglobulin and equine rabies immunoglobulin can be given for category 3 exposure and also in category 2 exposure. Immunoglobulin should be given just before or shortly after giving first dose of vaccine. Immunoglobulin can be given up to 7th day of giving rabies vaccine. The dose for human rabies immunoglobulin is 20 international units per kg body weight. For equine rabies immunoglobulin, the dose is 40 international units per kg body weight. Immunoglobulins are given at two sites. Half is given at the site of bite and rest is given as intramuscular. And other important part is vaccinating the pets which we have at our home. Dogs also have vaccination. The pets at home can be vaccinated every year. We have to maintain separate immunization card for the pets also. Conclusion: every year more than 29 billion people worldwide receive post-bite vaccination. This is estimated to prevent hundreds of thousands of rabies deaths annually. Once again, I thank the office bearers of Marthanam IMA for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.